you can make your personal AI avatar through this website, Komodo AI. You can also talk to your favorite avatar celebrities. I can show you. Just click on celebrities and you will see different celebrities. You can talk to them, you can share your thoughts, and you can also listen to the thoughts. You can also create your personal avatar and you can utilize in your business. They will do a customer services for you, they're gonna do a marketing, and they're gonna do all related stuff, and you will make money while you sleep. And also it will also help you to do the monetization of your channel. So follow this channel for upcoming videos like this.